honey, buy your honey. Sweet honey, buy your honey. Delicious honey. Sweet honey, organic honey, buy your honey. Sweet honey, delicious honey, organic honey, buy your honey. Sweet honey, buy your honey. Delicious honey, the best honey in this neighborhood. Buy your honey. Sweet honey, the best honey in the neighborhood. Buy your honey. Sweet honey.
Good afternoon, pretty lady.
Good afternoon, sir.
How much do you sell your honey and how much do they cost?
Well, the smaller ones are €5 and the one next to it is €10. And the very big one is out of stock. That's €20.
I think it's that big one I would like to have because I have a big family and if I buy the small ones, within a short space of time it will just finish.
Okay, in that case, maybe I should give you a call when I get the big one in stock on Wednesday.
That would be so good and that's so kind of you. So, can I get your number so that I can call you to check? Okay. And when will you get the honey?
Next week Wednesday should be in
Wednesday for sure?
Yeah.
Okay, then give me your number.
06886439 2859.
Okay, let me call you. Is it ringing?
Oh yes.
What name should I serve it with?
Adiza, sir.
Adiza?
Yes, sir.
What kind of name is this? Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt, sir.
Egypt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've not heard about it, but it doesn't matter, the name doesn't matter. Can I serve it with Honey Woman so that I can easily find it on my phone? Is that okay by you?
Please, sir, just allow me go into a woman first. I'm still a very young lady, a very young girl. That's...
Don't worry, it's not what I meant. I can also serve it with Honey Girl. Is that okay by you?
Okay, if you'll be able to remember fast, okay, why not?
Okay, then I'll leave it that way. The most important thing is that I get my honey.
Oh sure, I'll give you a call as soon as it arrives on Wednesday.
Okay, that would be so good. That would be so nice. And hopefully it will arrive on Wednesday and I'll get it. So hope to hear from you. Then we will see on Wednesday. I wish you a nice evening. Take care of yourself and best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Honey girl, so funny. Like, I'm just selling honey and he's saying honey girl. Oh my god. Delicious honey, best honey in the neighborhood, organic honey, buy your honey, sweet honey, delicious honey, the best honey in the neighborhood.
After all this long while, I've been waiting for this for decades.
Thank you.
I hope the food is worth the wait. Huh?
Trust your wife now, you know me.
I trust you. I know you always cook delicious food.
Yes, my husband.
But before I can do justice to this, can you just wait for a minute? Let me just ease myself.
No problem. I'm waiting for you. No problem. Hello, sir. It's me, the honey girl. Your product just arrived. The honey is so delicious. Please come as soon as possible. Okay, bye.
I'm waiting for you today. Onyeka. Think of first. Darling, where are you? Come and see. Come here. Are you sitting on me? Did you see what is in your phone?
What's
Oh my God, who is Onyeka? I saw the Who is you? Why? Who is Onyeka? Can you take a look? Who is Onyeka?
Sweetheart, this is the girl I told you about that sells honey I met on the street the other day I was coming back from work.
Hey, why
can't you believe me for once? Must you put drama in everything now? This is just a lady that I told you that sells honey. Why is it that every move I make you start doubting me? Okay, I went to toilet to use myself, you start checking on my phone to tell me honey girl. So you can't believe me just for once.
You are cheating on me.
I can't cheat.
You are cheating on me, God is saying.
No. How can a man that has a woman like you be looking for another woman outside? No, it's not possible.
No, you're lying. You're lying, no. You're lying.
Try to understand me for once. I'm telling you.
You're lying. I can't believe you are cheating on me. Not trash you to bring a gas. Not trash you.
I've already told you. Allow me to eat first, then I can explain.
You're lying, no, that is God, you're lying.
This food now that took you a long time to cook, you don't want me to relax and eat it. I
What
want
food?
to enjoy my food.
What food? You cannot eat my food. Come and take me to the girl. Let's go. Come and take me to the girl.
But you spent a long time cooking this food. Allow me to eat it before you get to
come take me to the girl. Let me go and see the girl. If actually I want to know. Let's go.
The best honey in the neighborhood. Buy your honey, sweet honey.
Hello,
the best honey. Customer.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Yeah. How much are your honey?
Oh, this one is €5. The other one is €10.
I think it's the same like the one I bought before.
Yeah, it's the same product.
The one I bought before was very nice.
Yeah, it's the same product, sir.
Oh, okay. I would like to have one of these.
Okay.
You must show me the girl today.
I'm not happy with the way you are just embarrassing me. Look at the way everyone is just watching at us. I don't like this thing.
You're cheating on me. Stop telling me. You must show me the girl today.
Look at how people are staring at us. I don't like this.
I don't care.
You are really embarrassing me. I don't like this. I don't like this.
It's 10 euro, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
You must show me the girl today. You are cheating on me.
I don't like the way
you must show me the girl today.
Customer.
How do you time without number?
Stop lying me. You not do a show.
Why will I be?
What is going on?
This is the honey girl
What's
I told you about.
Madam, what
I told you
is
it's the girl nearby that gives me honey.
My customer.
This is not honey.
Customer, what is the problem? It's happening.
Nothing much. It's just family issue, but it's okay.
Ma, you take it easy.
Your honey.
You see how it was. So all this while I've been telling you, you never believe me. You see?
My husband, please
Now you believe me. No, it can't work this way. We've lived in the same house for more than 7-10 years. All this while you still don't trust or believe your husband. What kind of marriage is this? No, look at level to that bottom line. No, I can't be in a marriage. Bro, I hope you are married. You women of these days, I don't understand them. They can't even trust their man.
You take it easy,
Take it easy. No, bro. You put yourself in my shoes. If it's you, will you take it easy? Will you take it easy if it's you? A woman you call your wife, you live with, she can't even believe. Look at the way she's embarrassing me. Everybody around is just staring at me and I can't think. No, I can't. Come back home and meet me today. Then you will see the difference. part of me. My relations, they've been telling me, this is your wife, this is your wife. But I said no, because I was in love. All this begging. Now you want to beg. But before, when I was the one begging, you never cared to listen to me. You never cared to listen to me. Now you want to beg me, I won't even listen to your begging. I can't take this.
Calm down.
Calm down for what? All this love, it ends today. Come back, come out. I will take you out.
Oh God, please now. Oh God, for goodness sake. Where is this guy? You do it up. Oh, Becca. What are you telling?